Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw together a beautiful dinosaur, the Triceratops. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw 2 circles for the eye. Draw the horn on the head with a curved line and 2 slightly wavy lines. Draw a small horn on the muzzle with a semicircle and a curved line. Now draw a curved line for the muzzle, a wavy line, then another wavy line, a semicircle, and a diagonal line. Then, draw the edge of the mouth with a diagonal line and a curve. Draw a small curved line for the nostril. Draw a wavy line between the 2 horns. Draw a semicircle for the bottom of the head. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Now draw the color with a diagonal line, a curve, a diagonal line, a curved line, another curved line, a diagonal line, a curved line, and a horizontal line. Draw the 3rd horn like I do. Draw 5 lines in the shape of the letter V around the color. Draw a curved line from the 1st horn and some curved lines inside the color. Draw the neck with a curved line, then the front paw with 2 curved lines, and 2 more curved lines. Draw the claws with small triangles and curved lines like I do. Draw a curved line for the belly. Now draw the hind paw with a curved line, a vertical one, draw the claws with triangles and straight lines, then a slightly wavy line and a curved line. Draw a curved line for the back. Now draw the tail with a curved line, an inverted V-shaped line, and a curved line. Draw the other legs, follow me while I draw them. Now draw a curved line for the belly. Wow! Our friends are great! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eye. Use orange for the belly and muzzle. Use red for the tongue. Use light green for the body and head. Color the triangles on the collar, horns, and clothes with yellow. Excellent! Our dinosaur looks awesome and is ready for a new adventure with you! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!